What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're counting down the days by opening a different day on the Hotel Chocolat advent calendar. It is the Velvetiser Drinking Chocolate. Giving it a review, seeing what it's like. Any of the repeats in there, because we know there are a few. We are doing them with the ice cold as well, because it works as the winter and it works over the summer as well. You can have a hot or you can have cold drinks. So yesterday we had the vanilla. The vanilla one is so creamy and so sweet and just, yeah, absolutely fantastic. So yeah, day 18. Let's see what number we are at. Well, we know what number we're at. We're at 18. I don't know why I said that. This is number 18. We'll see what flavour we've got. I'm expecting that we're going to have some repeats now, so we're going to be on to the cold ones. Wish I'd done them reverse, but I didn't fully know which one with the repeats and stuff. Try not to look at the back of it, which again is probably pointless because I knew most of the drinks that they do anyway. Oh, we have got a new one. Oh, so this is the ginger. It has a taste of ginger in it. Now, I do like ginger. I really like ginger. I've had ginger before. Not sure I've ever had it with chocolate. So, as much as I like ginger, I won't say that this is one of my top ones to try. But there you go. This is the Velvetiser Drinking Chocolate. Inside, as we've shown before, it is like cut up, sort of not grated as such, but pieces of chocolate flakes, and it mixes into the Velvetiser, and it makes hot chocolate, or a cold chocolate drink with real chocolate instead of just powders. So this one says, a fiery kick of natural ginger in smooth dark chocolate. So do like dark chocolate, do like ginger. Let's get this in the Velvetiser and see what we think of it. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you saw earlier, we opened up the ginger in the calendar. There it is. It says, a fiery kick of natural ginger in smooth dark chocolate. I like the dark chocolate. I like ginger. I don't know if this sounds like something that I'm going to enjoy, but I thought we'll give it a go, see what it is like. So here it is again, because it's a dark one. It is very dark chocolate, unlike the other day when we had the vanilla, which was absolutely amazing. So oh no, I'm gonna say you could definitely taste the dark chocolate, but I then got the aftertaste of the ginger, which is good. I like ginger. You can feel it, yeah. You can feel the burn. I don't know. In fact, I think you might have even had this one before. It's okay, but it wouldn't be something I would choose to get. It's again, the Velvetiser just makes it all creamy and frothy, but I think it's an acquired taste. Separately, I like them. I don't know if they go together properly. Yeah, I think I'm going to give this a 7. No, I think I might give it a 6. I feel like I've had this one before actually, but yeah, no, this doesn't work for me. It's okay. The dark chocolate's fine, but that kick of ginger, and I do like ginger, so but it doesn't work with the chocolate for me. Yeah, I'm gonna give this one a 6. Yeah, I'll finish it anyway. So yeah, we're nearly there. It is the 18th, So tomorrow, no, it's not. It's the 19th. Sorry. So tomorrow we will be back on the 20th, and we've not got much more to go. So thanks again for watching. Got loads more stuff coming up, so do like, subscribe, and check out the channel. Until next time, thanks for watching, and bye for now.